So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished doing a little bit of work out here for a homeowner. First thing we installed was a brand new shutoff valve. So these are all quarter turn on, quarter turn off, stainless steel balls. So quarter turn it's off, and then quarter turn it's on. So all three have been replaced. What you've got on this side is hot, and typically we use a 3/8 dishwasher tee, so you can tie in your faucet and your dishwasher, so that's good. Dishwasher's not tied in right now. They're getting a new one installed, and so what we've done so that we can get hot water onto the faucet is we just take this little braided stainless steel supply with a plug on it and cap it off. And so when Home Depot gets here, that's where they're going to tie in. And what's nice is now you have a nice little shut off, just quarter turn. They're done. They like that. And then tie in their connector and tie it back in. So faucet's tied in. We've run water down. Everything looks good. Over here on the cold side, they got a little interesting thing going on. This is designed for filtration. So instead of taking cold water to the sink and then to the refrigerator separately, they've put the sink water here. And the reason why it makes it convenient, you can tie in your faucet, and then what you can see right here, it's tied in. That's your faucet. And then this would be a line that supplies water over to the refrigerator, which allows you to put an RO system in, filtration, whatever you'd like to. You've got a feed that takes, and of course every refrigerator's got a charcoal filter in there, a carbon filter, but it doesn't address pesticide, chemicals, things like that. So RO system would send clean, sparkling clean water over to the refrigerator. And we did replace what they had in here is some Quest tubing that jumped these two together. We eliminated that. We don't like the Quest tubing in any shape or form. We like Uponor tubing, we can use that, but not the Quest tubing. And so same thing, we had a 3/8 T right here so we can get the faucet tied in, and then we replaced that with a braided stainless steel supply line. You can see that. We went over to a local Ace hardware store and got one because we trust these braided stainless steel supply lines. So now water's onto the refrigerator, both valves are on. If you want to shut the water off to the refrigerator, then you just simply shut it off right there. And then you probably in the wall behind the refrigerator have a shut off valve as well, but that'll stop it right there. So that's done. We also replaced the air gap and tied it back into the disposal. It's empty on the discharge size. This hose, we're just going to leave it hanging here because that's from the old dishwasher. Once the installer comes out, they're going to hook up to the air gap, and so it's right up there, and then you're good to go. And outside of that, this installation is done.